Paano ba natin i-convert ang 0.67?
This is not okay. This needs to stop now.
Tuldok, paulit-ulit, papuntang fractions. Una, sabihin mo na ito ang ating x. Tapos, magkakarga tayo dito sa taas na i-move lang natin siya ng dalawa. Yung decimal point dito. 1, 2. So, anong dapat natin gawin? I-multiply natin si x ng 100. Yan. Tapos, i-multiply din natin siya ng 100. Ayan. Tapos, ang gagawin lang natin is pagpa-minus natin ito. 100x minus x is equal to 99x is equal to 67.676767 minus 0.676767 and so on. Let's just cancel this and we have going to have 6, 7 at i-divide lang natin both by 99. So, ang ating x is 67 over 99. Nice. Paano naman pag ganito? Una, i-transform muna natin siya na mapupunta yung ating non-repeating dito. So, gawin natin siyang multiply natin siya ng 10. So, 10x is equal to 2.14 and so on. Tapos, ngayon naman, ilipat naman natin siya dito. So, multiply natin ng 100 si 100x. So, it's 1000. 1000x is equal to 214.1414, so on, so on, so on. Pagmaminus lang natin sila ulit tulad ng ginawa natin kanina. Tapos, what is 1000 minus 10? So, 990x is equal to, cancelin lang natin itong ating decimal. Tapos, 214 minus 2 is equal to 2. Then over, let's divide them by 990. So, our x is equal to 212,990. How nice! Paano naman pag 0.999999999? Well, alamin natin. So, let's represent it as x. And then, let's multiply it by, para maging, may labas natin si 9, multiply it by 10. So, 10x is equal to 9.999999. Then, subtract them. Let's cancel this. We're going to have 9x is equal to 9, or 9 over 9 is equal to, x is equal to 1.
Subscribe!